Welcome back to my channel, and this is Fabulous Ideas, and here I have a natural wood house for your pets. So you can have any pets in here. In my case it will be cats, but you can also have a puppy in here, small dog, rabbits, but cats as well. So I ordered this one from Amazon, and it is 55 by 55. So yes, so this is the box. It's actually wooden, but obviously, like I said, it's a DIY job. I have to make this up. Okay, so yes, I've just got it out of the box. Just take these straps off here. Okay, so this is the kind of wood. And obviously it's got the hinges there. And another piece here. So hopefully it won't be too bad putting this together. And here is the arch. And you can see it's got the pets fit. And it is the little opening that they'll be walking into. I have my instructions and also all the fixtures and fittings in here. That looks more like the back. Okay, so we're going to be starting with these kind of screws, and these are the A screws, and then we're just going to be joining all four of the sides together, and then we will be putting the base together. So they've put all the holes in there for me. So if I've got this one here, you can see there is a hole here, and this is the side. And again, you can see the hole which matches up. And then put that through. So just put my camera up a bit, you can see. There we go. Can see we've got all the sides now put together, and then obviously it's hollow in the middle, and what they're saying is to put these planks down, 2 of them, so they will go down like this, I think, like that. And then there is another one. Okay, oh right, they have a little shape, sorry, it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. So that one will go like that, so as you can see it fits in nicely, and then there's a little indentation here, so then that one will go like that, and that's great, that's the base. It's almost like making little bed slates. So all I need to do is put the lid on. As you can see, the lid has some hinges on here, and they will be going where this indentation is here. So I've got the screws to put the hinges, that's for the hinges, and then I've also got a lever. hinges put in, but obviously I don't want to just leave it like that, so I have this shabby chic chalk based furniture paint in the winter grey, and then I've got some paint brushes. I'm going to be obviously using the smallest paintbrush, and we're just going to go paint it. See, I've painted the top and the front. So I'm just going to persevere with the painting, and obviously I haven't done the sides yet.
Any ideas?
So as you can see, here is the bed, and it's all been painted, so I'm really happy with that. And obviously the lid comes off at the top, and we've put in their lovely blanket inside, so I'm really happy about that. And there's a cushion as well in there, so they're really going to be nice and cushy in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be writing their names on their hearts, and I am going to be hammering with a little nail their hearts in place. So that's how it's going to look at the end. So let's just write their names on. So we're going to have Coco here, and then I'm going to just do Rocco's as well. And then we're going to have Rocco over here. So that's how it's going to look. There we have it. Shabby chic look bed going on here, and there is a Coco and Rocco's bed, and hopefully later when it's time for their bedtime we'll see them inside their bed. So yeah, so the bed has now been put in its place. So this is where I will be placing my cat bed. I'm really happy with it. I've painted it the winter grey, which I've also painted my furniture the same colour, so it's all matching. So I'm really happy with that look. So everything's all kind of matching. I put their toy box on top. So this is their toy box, and I'm loving the lovely heart. So I'm really loving that look. It's a lovely fresh look, and it's just a lovely added touch just to personalise their bedding as well in the shape of hearts. So I do hope to see you again in another video, and if you are new here then a very big welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you thought this was a great video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, post them in the comment section below. And like I said, if I don't have any time in this video, a very big thank you to you all for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.